In our previous lecture, we had learned about chapter number 1. Today we will learn chapter number 2, Vartalapah. Vartalapah means conversation. Vartalapah it means conversation. In this chapter, there are conversation between Chetna and Bhavesh. They are brother and sister, and conversation between them during the lunch time. Okay, have a look. Bhavesh, Namaskara. Bhaveshah, Namaskara. It means Bhavesh said, Namaskara means greetings. Chetna, Namaskara. Bhavesh, Agachati. Sarvam Kushalam va? Chetna said, Namaskara. Again she greeting to Bhavesh. Bhavesh Agachatu, it means come. Bhavesh Agachatu. Agachatu it means come. Come Bhavesh. Sarvam Kushalam va? Sarvam it means all or everything. Kushalam. Kushalam it means fine. Sarvam Kushalam va? It means everything is fine. Bhavesh, Sarva Kushalam. Sarva Kushalam. Bhavesh said, yes, everything is fine. Chetna, Upaveshatu. Upaveshatu. Jalam Svikaratu. Jalam Svikaratu. Upaveshatu it means have a seat. When some will come our house or our home, we greetings first and then we offer have a seat. So Chetna said, have a seat. Jalam Svikaratu, it means you want water, have water. Bhavesh, Dhanyavada. Bhavesh said, thank you. Dhanyavada means thank you. Chetna, Chayam, coffee va? Chayam, coffee va? Chayam it means tea and coffee it means coffee. Tea or coffee? Chetna offered to Bhavesh. Tea or coffee? Bhaveshava, Kimapi Mastu. Kimapi Mastu means nothing. I don't want anything. Idani Bhojanam Avashyakam. Idani Bhojanam Avashyakam. It means I want to eat. Food is necessary. It means it is lunch time. So now it's time to lunch. That's why Bhavesh said, no, I don't want tea or coffee. It is lunch time. Chetna, Bhojanam Siddham Evam Asti. Bhojanam means food. Siddham, ready. Siddham it means ready. Food is also ready or food is already ready. Asan Grahanam Karotu. Asan Grahanam Karotu. It means asan it means sit. Grahanam Karotu means have a seat. Chetna said to Bhavesh, have a seat. Food is ready. Have a seat. Bhavesh, Krupaya Pariveshayatu. Krupaya Pariveshayatu. Krupaya it means please. Pariveshayatu it means serve it. Serve. Bhavesh is sitting food and Bhavesh said to Chetna, please serve it. Bhojane kim asti. Bhojane kim asti means bhojane means food, in a food. What is in a food? Or what is the qualities in a food? Chetna said, Chetna, Bhojane Vyajanam vegetable means in food vegetable is available. Then rotika asti means roti is also there. Modaka, modaka it means sweet ball or laddu. Modaka asti. Avaleha, avaleha it means pickle. Avaleha it means pickle. Pickle asti, pickle also are there. Avaleha asti. Odanam, odanam it means rice. Cha, dalam api asti and dal. Rice and dal also there in a lunch. Okay. Pavesh, tarhi shigram dadatu. Tarhi shigram dadatu. Tarhi means then. Shigram it means quickly, fast. Dadatu it means serve it or give me. Tarhi shigram dadatu means give me fast, or we can say serve it quickly. Chetna, स्वीकरोतु लवणम आवश्यकं वा. स्वीकरोतु लवणम आवश्यकं वा. It means have it. लवणम, लवणम it means salt. आवश्यकम, आवश्यकम it means necessary. Is salt is necessary? Sorry, is salt necessary? Chetna give dish to Bhavesh and then he asked to Bhavesh, have it, is salt necessary? Bhavesh, am dadatu kinchita takram api avashyakam. Kinchita takram api avashyakam. Am dadatu means give me as much as is needed, but I also want buttermilk. Takram means buttermilk. I want buttermilk also, or we can say buttermilk also needed. Chetna, स्वीकरोतु एकम मोदकम अपि स्वीकरोतु. Chetna say स्वीकरोतु it means have it. Ekam modakam api स्वीकरोतु. You also want a sweet ball. Have a sweet ball also. It means have a laddu also. Bhavesh, धन्यवाद. Ekam rotikam api dadatu. Bhavesh, धन्यवाद it means thank you. Ekam rotikam means one roti. Api dadatu means give me one roti also. Give me one roti also. Chetna, avaleha api asti. Avaleha api asti. There are also pickle also. There is pickle also. Avashyakam ka. Is it necessary? Avashyakam it means necessary. Is it necessary? Bhavesh mastu. No, I don't want pickle. Idanim odanam dadatu. Now I want rice. Odanam it means rice. Idanim, idanim it means now. Now I want rice, or now I want rice also. Chetna said, Chetna स्वीकरोतु दालम अपि स्वीकरोतु. Chetna said, have it. Also have dal. Have some dal too. Have it. Have some dal too. Bhavesh, धन्यवाद. Bhavesh said, thank you. Chetna, अन्यतः किमपि आवश्यकम्. अन्यतः किमपि आवश्यकम्. Chetna asked Bhavesh, do you want anything else? Do you want anything else? Bhavesh, इदानीं किमपि मास्तु. No, just now, not a thing. I don't want anything now. मम भोजनं समाप्तं. मम भोजनं समाप्तं. It means my food is finished. My lunch is over. भोजनं रुचिकरम् अस्ति. The food is tasty. Ruchikaram, it means tasty. The food is tasty. Bhavesh said to Chetna, now I don't want anything. My lunch is over. The food is tasty. Chetna, dhanyawad. Chetna said, thank you. Now we repeat the translation of whole chapter. नमस्कारः. भावेश, नमस्कारः. भावेश, greetings. चेतना, नमस्कारः means greetings. भावेश, आगच्छतु. सर्वं कुशलं वा? Come भावेश, everything is fine. भावेश said, सर्वकुशलं means everything is fine. चेतना said, उपविशतु. जलं स्वीकरोतु. चेतना said to Bhavesh, have a seat. You want water or have water? Bhavesh, dhanyawad means thank you. Chetna said, chayam, coffee va means tea or coffee. She offered to Bhavesh tea or coffee. Bhavesh, kimapi mastu means nothing. No, I don't want anything. Idanim bhojanam avashyakam. Now I want to eat. It is time to lunch. Chetna said, bhojanam siddham evam asti, asanam grahanam karotu. It means food is also ready. Have a seat. Bhavesh, krupaya pariveshayatu. Please serve it quickly. Bhojane kim kim asti. What is there in a lunch? Chetna, bhojane vyajanam asti, rotika asti, mudaka asti, avaleha asti, odanam asti, cha dalam api asti. Chetna said to Bhavesh, there are vegetable, roti, sweet ball or laddu, pickle, rice and dal too. Bhavesh, tarhi shigram dadatu. Bhavesh said, then give me fast or serve it quickly. Chetna, swikaratu. Lavanam avashyakam va? Chetna said, have it. Is salt necessary? Is salt necessary? Bhavesh, am dadatu. Kinchit takram api avashyakam. Am dadatu means give me as much as is needed. I also want buttermilk. Chetna, swikaratu. Ekam odakam api swikaratu. Chetna said, have it and also have a laddu. Bhavesh, dhanyawad. Eka rotikam api dadatu. Bhavesh said, thank you. Give me one roti also. Chetna said, avalega api asti avashyakam ka? There is pickle also. Is it necessary? Bhavesh, mastu. Idanim odanam dadatu. Bhavesh said, no, I don't want pickle. Now I want rice. Chetna, swikaratu. Dalam api swikaratu. Have it and also have dal too. Bhavesh said, dhanyawad means thank you. Chetna, anyata kimapi avashyakam. Chetna said, you want anything else? Bhavesh, idani kimapi mastu. No, now I don't want anything. Mama bhojanam samaptam. It means my lunch is over. Bhojanam ruchikaram asti. The food is tasty. Chetna, dhanyawad. Chetna said, thank you. Okay students, this is our chapter number 2 Vartala, and This is the conversation between Bhavesh and Chetna. Now we will see exercise. Now we will see exercise. First question. From the sentence following the illustration, use the words given in the bracket in the place bhojanam. Bhojanam siddham evam asti. Bhojanam siddham evam asti. We have to replace the words instead of bhojanam. First one, chitram. Chitram siddham evam asti. Second one, dalam. Dalam siddham eva asti. Okay. Third number, vyanjanam. Vyanjanam siddham eva asti. Fourth one, chayam. Chayam siddham eva asti. Fifth one, odanam. Odanam siddham eva asti. Okay. Second question. From the sentences following the illustration, use the words given in the brackets in place takram. Takram. Okay. Kinchit takrama avashyakam. There are given one example. Kinchit takrama avashyakam. So we have to change this sentence in place takram. Here is given dugdham. Kinchit dugdham avashyakam. Okay. Second sentence, there are given jalam into bracket. Kinchit jalam avashyakam. Third number, kinchit payasam. Payasam means one kind of dal. Then vyanjanam. Kinchit vyanjanam. Vyanjanam means vegetable. Vyanjanam avashyakam. Okay. Now we will move on our third exercise. From the sentences following the illustration, use the words given in the brackets in place of takram. Okay. Takram avashyakam va. First word, vyanjanam. Vyanjanam. Vyanjanam avashyakam va. Question mark. Second one, dugdham आवश्यकं वा question mark. Then ओदनम आवश्यकं वा question mark. Next one दालम आवश्यकं वा. आवश्यकं वा it means is it necessary. Then अवलेह आवश्यकं वा means अवलेह means pickle. Is it necessary? Fourth exercise. Fill the gaps with appropriate statement response in the following dialogue. We had seen in our chapter Bhavesh and Chitna, conversation between Bhavesh and Chitna. They are given the name Putri and Mata. Conversation is same, but the names are changed. Putri and Mata. उपविशतु जलं स्वीकरोतु. धन्यवाद माता. स्वीकरोतु. धन्यवाद. इदानीं भोजनम् आवश्यकम्. किञ्चित् तक्रम् आवश्यकं वा. पुत्री सेट् ददातु. माता लवणम् अपि आवश्यकं. पुत्री सेट् ददातु माता. ओदनं स्वीकरोतु. दालम् अपि ददातु. अवलेहम् अपि अस्ति. तिक्रम् अवलेहं न रुचिकरम्. अन्यथा किमपि आवश्यकम्. इदानीं किं मास्तु. No, I don't know. I don't want now. Next exercise. Selecting appropriate pair of words from the bracket. Select the pair of the word from the bracket. First one, चषकः अस्ति जलं नास्ति. चषकः अस्ति जलं नास्ति. Second one, मेघः अस्ति जलं नास्ति. मेघः अस्ति जलं नास्ति. Then स्थालिका अस्ति भोजनं नास्ति. पुष्पम् अस्ति उद्यानं नास्ति. वृक्षः अस्ति फलं नास्ति. कक्षः अस्ति छात्रा नास्ति. छत्रम् अस्ति जलं नास्ति. It means there is cloud but not rain. There is dish but no food. There is flower but not a garden. There is tree but not a fruit. There is class but not even a student. There is umbrella but no rain. Now we will see some extra exercise from our workbook. For each of the given questions, choose the option that is its correct answer and write the letter corresponding to the answer in the given box. First question. भावेशः कम् अभिवादति. भावेशः कम् अभिवादति. Correct answer is D. Chetana. Chetana. Second question. कः भावेशं स्वीकरोति. कः भावेशं स्वीकरोति. भावेशं स्वीकरोति. तस्य वयस्य तस्य भगिनी तस्य जनकः तस्य भ्राता. Who welcomed Bhavesh? His sister, his friend, his mother or his brother? His sister. Bhagini means sister. Tasya Bhagini, it means his sister. There is a a dialogue between whom in the chapter Vartalapa? Question number 3. There is a dialogue between whom in the chapter Vartalapa? The options are Chetana and her father, mother-daughter, Bhavesh Chetana, Bhavesh mother. Bhavesh and Chetana. Option C. Bhavesh Chetana. Question number 4. Ruchikaram asti, Ruchikaram plus asti, etasya sandhi kurta. Ruchikaram plus asti. Ruchikaram asti. A is the correct answer. Ruchikaram asti. Question number 5. Give the Sanskrit word for chapati. Give the Sanskrit word for chapati. Chapati means roti and its Sanskrit word is rotika. Option C, rotika. Question number 6. Bhojane kim kim asti iti kaha nivedayati. Bhojane kim kim asti iti kaha nivedayati. It means who asked this sentence that what is in the food? Bhavesh. Bhavesh asked to Chetana. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 7. Vyajanam iti shabdasya ang bhashayam kaha artha. Vyajanam iti shabdasya angla bhashayam kaha artha. It means English word of Vyajanam. Vegetable. Vegetable it means Vyajanam. Question number 8. Avleha iti shabdasya kaha artha. Avleha. Avleham iti shabdasya kaha artha. Ointment, pickle, drink or salt. Pickle. Option B. Avleham means pickle. Question number 9. Takram iti shabdasya angla bhashayam kaha artha. Takram iti shabdasya angla bhashayam kaha artha. Small patty, drink, buttermilk or curds. Takram means buttermilk. Option C. Question number 10. Pavesha bhojanam kidrasham vadati. Pavesha bhojanam kidrasham vadati. Ruchikaram. It means tasty. Question number 11. Siddham plus eva sandhi kurut. Siddham plus eva sandhi kurut. Siddhamev. Option A. Siddhamev. Siddham plus eva. It means Siddhamev. Last question. Separate odd one out from the following word group. Separate odd one out from the following word group. There are a word group. Rotikam, shatikam, modakam, dalam. Rotikam it means roti. Shatikam it means sari. Modakam it means small sweet ball or laddu. Dalam it means dal. So which word is odd one? Shatika means sari. Option B. Now the next exercise. Write the English meaning of the following Sanskrit word. Write the English meaning. Lavanam. Lavanam it means salt. Modaka means sweet ball or laddu. Siddham. Siddham it means ready. Idanim it means now. Third exercise. Write the Sanskrit meaning of the following English word. Rice. Write the Sanskrit meaning. of the following word. First word is rice. Rice, it means odanam. Second is not, means nothing. Mastu. Mastu, it means nothing. Serve. Serve, it means give me or serve me. So dadatu. Give, it means thanks, means धन्यवाद. Now the next exercise is fill in the blanks according to the chapter. First one, Namaskar Bhavesh dash. Namaskara Bhavesh Agachatu. Agachatu means come. Second one, Kimapi Mastu dash Bhojanam Avashyakam. Kimapi Mastu Idanim Bhojanam Avashyakam. Into bracket there are Idanim. Idanim Bhojanam Avashyakam. Third one, dash takram api avashyakam. Dash takram api avashyakam. So kinchit. Kinchit takram api avashyakam. It means I want buttermilk now. Fourth one, ekam modakam api swikaratu. Ekam modakam api swikaratu. It means have one laddu also. So the correct answer is swikaratu. Dash api asti. Dash api asti. Also there. What is also there? Odanam cha dalam. Means rice and dal also here. Next one. Put a right against the true statement and cross against the false statement. True or false? Chetna is Bhavesh mother. Chetna is Bhavesh mother. False. Chetna is Bhavesh sister. Second one, Chetna welcomes Bhavesh with the word Namaskara. Chetna welcomes Bhavesh with the word Namaskara. Right. True. Third one, Bhojane modakah asti. Bhojane modakah asti. There is sweet ball in food. Right. Fourth one, dalam api ma swikaratu. Dalam api ma swikaratu. False. Mama bhojanam samaptam. Mama bhojanam samaptam means my lunch is over. Right. Now the last exercise, match the following. There are given two columns, column A and column B. First one, Bhojanam Siddham. Bhojanam Siddham eva asti. Asanam Grahanam Karotu. Idanim Odanam Dadatu. Okay. Okay students, this is all our exercise. You have to note down in your book, and for note down kindly check study material. Thank you.